I welcome you once again to this free training, which is organized by Northwest Technologies. They are official the main sponsor for Ghana National Association of ICT Teachers
I'm sorry,
Educational Activities. And I
I did
welcome you once
Biswanas,
again.
the
And
Magiana
good
server.
afternoon again. Good afternoon. Okay. We will start by introducing our trainer, who happens to be Nandiana Gilbert, Mr. Nandiana Gilbert. He is our trainer. He is a member, a student,
The Dina Pao,
teacher Nandiana, and a teacher of Northwest Technology. And as you can see, the subscription we are doing goes to them. And then you have to make sure that Jeanette is the reference ID. All right. The training itself is free, but we'll be very happy if members are able to pay attention each month to continue learning with us. As you can see on our course outline, the introduction is free, but then this one is meant for those who subscribe. Then it goes on and on to the intermediate level. The first round is also free, and then the next round for the intermediate level is this amount. The whole thing is that PHP is a good programming language, but then it costs to learn. So paying 30 cedis within the month to learn, we see it is very good. If it wasn't the association, we wouldn't have done this. So members should cope with us and then help to grow this, or to help to grow, or to help us to grow this training. We don't want to stop it. We want to be a continual thing, because Jeanette or the association still exists. All right. And we also encourage you all to register to be a member of the association. All right. Mr. Gilbert, are you there?
Mr. James.
Yes, Mr. Gilbert, are you with us?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Gilbert, how are you?
Good, and you?
Please, your voice is down. How are you?
I said I'm good, and you?
I'm good. All right. Today we have 10 participants. Okay, more are joining. We have 10 participants, and we're going to start with them. So you tell us what PHP is about, the use, the purpose, and what the requirement is about. Today being the first day, I would like you to take us through, as you have documented this. You are talking about PHP and MySQL basic level. You explain to us the PHP, and then you take us through how we can, we can download and install it. So guys, this is what we are going to do basically. So Mr. Gilbert is a trainer. Take it from me and let's move on. Yes, Gilbert, please take it from me.
Okay. Okay. Good afternoon once again.
Good afternoon.
Please hope my connection is good. My network connection.
I hear you.
The line is not breaking.
Yeah, it's better.
Okay.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Today we are tackling PHP. And when we say PHP, PHP is a server-side scripting language that is embedded in HTML. It is used to manage dynamic page content, especially when we have content or information. We have our data in our database, and we want to refresh our page based on the information on our page. We can use PHP for that. And also we can use to manage database. So when we say PHP, Mr. James, I want to share my screen. Mr. James. Mr. James.
Yes.
Please, I would like to share my screen.
Okay. You can go ahead.
Okay. So when we say PHP, it's an acronym. Okay. It's an acronym. So let me share mine. Okay. PHP stands an acronym which stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. I wanted to type, but seems it's not favoring me. So it stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. So as I said earlier, it's a server-side scripting language, and we used to manage our website. So PHP codes normally runs on a server. PHP codes run on a server, and we have two types of server. We have the online server. Hello. Hello.
We have been muted by the administrator.
So we have two types of server. We have the online and then the offline server. So we would try to use the offline server. So you'll be learning on how to download a server. So talking about the server, we have different types of server that we can use. We have the, let me open Sublime Text so that we have the WAMP and we have the MAMP, which is for, okay. So one, we have the XAMPP, we have the MAMP, we have LAMP, and we have WAMP. So the XAMPP is a cross-platform server, and the MAMP is for the Mac, those using the Apple laptop, and then the LAMP is for the Linux, those using Linux, and the WAMP is for Windows only. So we will try to use the XAMPP, which is a cross-platform. So we're taking a few steps to download the XAMPP from the internet. So I would like to open my browser. Okay. So you visit Google. Please, I would like you to also follow up. You all try to download the XAMPP. I don't know if you get me.
Yeah, we get you.
So you quickly move to Google, then you type XAMPP. It will take us to the Apache Friends. So we want the one with the Apache Friends. That's the official www.apachefriends.org. That's the official website for XAMPP. So we visit that site. Okay. So as you see, we have the XAMPP for Windows XAMPP for Linux, then XAMPP for the Apple OS. So we would like to download for Windows. Mine is I'm using Windows, so I'll click on this one. Then I'm using the Internet Download Manager, so it prompts me that I want to start to download. So I'll click on start, then the download will begin. So I'd like to see from you people if you're on the same page. So anyone can share his or her screen so that we can also see.
This is my screen. Am I the right path? Robert.
Yes, you are.
Am I the right path? This is my screen. Look at the
right
bottom, the left bottom corner.
So I can see that yours is downloading.
Downloading, yes. The left bottom corner.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see another person's phone. Who wants to show his screen for us to see?
I can see.
Who else is ready? So, Mr. Gilbert, after downloading, what's next? Can we jump and continue to see if we can learn further? Mr. Gilbert, are you there? Hey, Paddy Gas. Who is Paddy Gas?
Yeah, I'm the one.
Have you been joining our trainings?
No, this is the first time.
Oh wow, I see. And are you following? Like, are you downloading it?
Actually, my laptop is not with me, but I'm using the phone. But I'm following.
Oh, okay, okay. We wanted to see if somebody else wants to show his screen.
Oh, okay, because I'm using a phone. This one is like it's on PC, so I'm following. I'm joining some points down.
Okay. So all we need now is to have the XAMPP server on our computer so that when we start using the PHP alongside our website, we can appreciate the differences or the changes or the effects. So that's it. All right.
Afternoon. Oh, sorry. And then I'm scuba banana woman.
Mr. Gilbert, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Mr. Gilbert, can you hear me?
So yours is still downloading.
Yes, I'm saying that we are all downloading it. So can we move on with the next
Yes,
thing?
I can hear. I can hear you.
Can we move on with the next thing?
Okay, so how be it either at the server or on a machine, that's a computer. And we can use it to handle forms. So when we create a form using our HTML and then CSS, we use the PHP to receive that forms and manipulate the form into PHP to handle form. And also, we can add information to our database with the help of the PHP. The PHP itself is something like a moderator between our HTML or our web page and our database. So we can use the PHP to translate we want to say or the instruction that we want to give it to it. So we can use to add information, delete, update, insert everything. We can use to manipulate our database. Also, we can use to restrict user we can use to restrict users to access some part of our website. Maybe you have different kind of users and each user has his or her own information that you want to view or you want the person to view or have a look at. You can use the PHP to restrict those users from getting access to sites or web page that not belongs to them. And we can use the PHP to also encrypt data. We can use PHP to encrypt data. So these are some basic functions. And so I'm coming for okay. So PHP, as we are learning, some may say it's a forgiving language, but trust me, can penalize you for just a simple error. Maybe because of simple semicolon that you didn't bring, a whole document may not run. or may not even show at all, just because of a simple syntax that you omitted. So bear in mind. And as PHP as compared to other programming language, is very simple to learn. So I don't know whose whose download is complete.
Mine is downloading. I'm still downloading it. Almost 50% done.
Mr. James.
Yes, mine is downloading, almost 50% done.
Mr. James.
Can you hear me?
Unmute the mic.
I'll move on with the next thing. So that once we are recording the video, will be given to all the participants. Therefore, you can keep on teaching. Then when they watch the video and they are done with the installation, they will follow the proceedings and then they can learn on their own. So if from here we can,
I want to
the next thing to do.
I want you to unmute the mics.
Okay. So you ask them questions, right? Okay.
So I don't know, mine.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done. So get back. Yes. I'm done with the unmuting.
Go and give it to Sister to clean it.
Hey.
I think each member should check the voice behind the videos. It's really disturbing us.
Shema.
Are you asking us to ask questions? Guys, is there any question you want us to ask? Is there any question you want to ask, guys?
I think so far we're okay with the steps. So if we can move on to the application itself.
Okay, so the next thing we are supposed to do, probably download the Zoom, and it's easy to download. Actually, also, I'm still downloading it. It's now, let me see, almost 50%. So you should all make sure you get it. I think the next thing is now,
okay,
as you were saying, PHP is a server-script programming language. The PHP is a server-script programming language, and we all need it. So it has a link with a particular website. So we all need to know a little about how to develop a website using HTML and CSS. Let me what to continue for off from there.
Yeah, Mr. Kwame, I appreciate maybe if you can mute the mics again so that we can all hear only you.
Oh, sorry. Mute. What I was saying is that PHP is a server-script language, and therefore, before you know more about it, unless you have a knowledge about HTML and CSS, or let's say a website, so all what is going to teach us will be a reflection of a website. So we need to get that in mind. But I think you explained on that particular area. Gilbert.
Mr. James.
Yes, tell us something small about PHP. What are the requirements someone's supposed to have before he can learn PHP? or the skill the person is supposed to have before Gilbert, are you there? Yes, as I was saying, he will be linking, he was saying that PHP, that's what I heard from him. PHP can be